Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from LWEX.com on your phone. In order to do it, first of all, you need to open your phone's web browser, and here in the search bar, simply search for LWEX exchange. Now you will find the first link in the list, that is LWEXexchange.com. So you need to simply click on it and you will be landed on this page. Now click on the explore more option and then you will be landed on the registration page, but here you will have to simply log in into your account. So in the top right hand corner of the screen you will see in the login option, so you will have to click on that and you need to provide your login credentials and you simply need to log in into your account. Now once you have successfully logged in, you just have to simply tap on these three horizontal lines in the top left hand corner and then go to assets. In your assets, you will see the withdraw option, so tap on it. Then in the withdrawal currency, you will have to select which currency basically you want to withdraw. You will have three different options: USDT, BTC and USDC. Now select the withdrawal currency that you want to withdraw and fill out this form. Over here, first of all, you will have to select the transaction network. It can be TRC20 or ERC20. Only two networks are available for the transaction. If you want to save money on the gas fees, I would recommend you to go with the TRC21. Then in the withdrawal address, you will have to provide the withdrawal address of the destination wallet or the exchange where you want to basically withdraw your currency. After that, enter the withdrawal amount in USDC. If you want to withdraw it all, you can tap on the withdraw all option and then you need to provide your withdrawal password. After filling this form, simply press this confirm withdrawal option and wait for the transaction to complete. Once the transaction is completed successfully, you will be able to withdraw your money from LWEX.com on your phone. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.